So good evening. If you're watching us online right now, as I said before, if you just joined us for the first time, make sure you tune in to us each and every Tuesday right here on TGM Radio. We call this Upnlive. On behalf of myself, DJ Rick, Dragon Star, Fire Q, the Liquor Brown Star, we bring to you another exciting act. This time, not from the UK, but more likely around the world, because he's been touring around the world. He's been dubbed the Girls Them Sugar, the Girls Them Selector. Yeah, God. Being man, I mix him up with. And I'm going to go with a bag of things. He's also a juggling selector. Now, one of my favorite clash selectors. So, we're going to discuss that while we have the conversation. Okay? People, Chris Dymond is here. Welcome to the show, sir.
Yeah, man. Respect. We're there.
And what's the occasion for you being in the UK?
You know, it's a little tour. We're there up on a tour. Big up the Black Knight family. You understand? We're here for their 25th anniversary. Big up there. Big up Cowboy, the whole team. So, I say big up the whole of London. You see, the English Fire. Big up yourself, my brother. Big up the whole team. It was a tour. We're there. We did London Friday night. And then we had we got country Saturday. Which part we got Saturday? Sheffield Saturday.
Yeah.
Then back in London Sunday. And then it just go on. I think we have maybe 3 more shows left.
Of course. So how has it been in the UK? Because in terms of like the weather and so you go to that?
Yeah, man. I remember we are moving Canada weather and New York weather and up north, and we used to it, man.
Of course. All right. So you represent for CodeRed Sound, right?
Definitely.
I start this way. I remember the first time I came across CodeRed Sound. I used to watch like back in the days, like in the early 2000s, they used to have some clash.
Fully loaded
clash them. And I always see like, you know, CodeRed come play the early segment. And were you actually a part of the sound from them days?
No, I joined the sound in 2005.
In 2005?
Yeah.
So what led you to that, the CodeRed Sound?
All right, here we go now. In our streets of Jamaica, we are youth where a music from we can basically say from birth.
Yeah.
Because I youth I grew with my grandmother in a certain way, and it's like, you know, back in them time, them have the what they call it, the radio, but it have the little one deck turntable upstairs, so we play the record and thing.
One record.
Yeah, man, we get enough beat for my grandmother own. Cause you know, me's a man always I try seek to amplify it to see me can get more nice out of it.
Yeah.
You see me I say? So I mess around with the record thing and I kinda like it. Me you see when it reach to the part now, whereas the speaker them now, me build some cardboard thing and get someone on to Twitter. Anything me see, anything me up on the road and say we have speaker, Twitter, try know it gone.
Yeah.
Cause me I come home with it, hook up the wire them, try me learn the red and black positive ray, try build me one little box them to it, amplify it now the house. So as she now look me gonna mess around with something with it. Get enough cussing for it until my virgin mother did have a bar.
Yeah.
See? And it's like there was a sound system. Yeah, I see this thing I know, this big box and the turntable thing. And I say, yo, I hate this. You know, when you just see something in your life where you say, yo, I best thing me ever seen in my life on sound system. You see what I say? And then I go sub mommy and say, yo, I have to learn more about this sound system thing. So then now my grandmother now is a woman. She don't really go to church, but she believes that we go.
Yeah.
So you don't know a prayer meeting on Friday. Are the worst. Well, the best things you could have done. I never say the worst thing. I went to send me go prayer meeting now and thing. They go to the church, me go in. You saw me and say, me not to make nobody see me. We just go straight around to the church and go to the side part and beat one fence and go to one little bush part. Cause the bar the next door up like, you see me I say?
I hope Granny now watching this now.
So,
I tell her a story already, man. She don't.
So just the way the argument that Chris Dymond bring to the dance hall, you grew up in the church, like a proper church boy.
Not even say proper church boy. She saying with this. So we go church on Sunday. You know, we grew up in another regime. If you know, say, yo, here we go on. God Almighty come first, no matter what. Yeah. So me, she herself, she got tell us straight, she not believe in a church, but she has to say, you figure.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you have to go.
Okay, typical Jamaican also.
Yeah, so me I say. So I decide start from jump. We skull skirt. What you call it? You can say my skull church.
Church, forgot that.
If you go learn to play it. And them time them me young. Me honestly about 9-year-old them time. 9. You see me I say?
So that led on now to, so you start play sound.
So me learn it here from there, so move forward now. My mother flying from foreign now and then I end up there with my mother there now and thing, and we there so as a little youth to said we are going to school, you have Reddy's Road with there, so you done now, you have Akiwak there, so Jackson Town, Common, Park Lane, the whole place, Grandspen, Whitehall, the whole Cassava Piece, our stamping ground, the whole of them place there.
Yeah.
So we me I go to school, anything, any fear I keep, any function at school, and me. You see what I say? If I start buy me like a CD, then time the CD come in, buy me CD, do me thing, I learn this business here. until we start play a sound at Jacksontown.
What was the name of the sound?
A sound named Third Element.
Yeah, so that's your first official sound.
Yeah, Third Element was my first official sound. And that's how I learned to mix.
What age was you at that point?
At that time, I just in a 7th grade. So we can call
about
it
10, 11.
Or 13, 14.
Yeah, 13, 14.
Yeah.
But 14 them age. Seeing? Only if I beat and lock out me get to car. Right, the son now school I go on the next morning, but you don't know son string off and I play some bar. As mother lock her yeah and lock her room door. Through the door me gone. Reach in at 4 o'clock, 4:30 now at the door, lock you don't know. And she done lock the door wait till sunrise because you have to go to school. So she not let you in, but when she wake up, you know you get beaten and you still have to go to school. So I got treat, you see me brother?
Of course.
Got treat man, you see me I say?
So after that now, let's get to the inception because the time is we don't really want to get as much as possible, right?
Yeah man.
The CodeRed. How did you first join CodeRed?
It a forward from them days. The way I do the thing in the street, school days come up, left school, further education in another thing, culinary part of the world, you see me I say? Yeah. And then we step back into this now. And we are the road, we there town every night, we there Kingston and go around and play music. Anyway, we start detention and them little places, some little parties, some little thing, whole anyway event I keep, we name start a buzz now as the little youth in the street. The money now I make, we play get a little 5 days, $1,000 more, maybe $1,500 Jamaican at the time. That are probably like 5-7 pounds, you see me I say, brother? Yeah. So, it a forward from this until it's like Rush. We get a phone call one day and Blade, I don't remember Rush or Blade, one of them call me. And I say, yo, you know say, it's a XYZ, CodeRed Sound. And I say, I say, yo, you know say, we been a follow you. Like, anyway we find out say you play, we forward then I try. And we listen to you. And we feel like you were going on. Them time the fully loaded was hard. I remember CodeRed start run fully loaded from like 2003 and became the top sound. So after that bookings are going crazy. So what they needed now was another team. The man them all day at Jamaica when it come on to weekend time, but the sound was in demand for events in Jamaica. So them need somebody capable for can control Jamaica scene. Yeah. I was the pick. So when them call me, of course I play tough because I don't know, we don't want to seem like we're friends. So them I say, hey, yo, I think about it and I couldn't know still in there. So I say, so as them hang up me call my dog, them I say, brother, you know, say CodeRed just call me. At them time I played another sound before that name, Impulse. It was a sound from UTech way. So I say, bridging them and things, so I'm bridging from Mandeville and thing, I will link up and we had the thing, but it was a short span. See, but after that, I take on the road by myself, I suck up now, it led to the call from CodeRed. Okay. They say, boy, we need somebody if we can replace, if we can take control of Jamaica when we are not here. So I say, all right, go and play it off first and go like me. Like, I say, yeah, man, I couldn't know still and ready. And we just make half a day run off. I say, yo, where is I'm ready, you know?
Ready.
You see me?
So you joined CodeRed now. Mm-hmm. Lank was it with
no,
Lank?
Lank wasn't there. Them time it was Blade. It was
So you joined CodeRed before Lank?
Yeah man.
Okay, I didn't know that.
Yeah man. So it was Rush, Master Lee said we Blade. Yeah. I think Fuse was there at the time. I named Fuse. Super Hype used to play the sound and think Super Hype left a little bit before me.
Okay.
And start cause Mona things start going good, so he moved on.
Okay.
So it was there.
So CodeRed I know because we know CodeRed was the ad sound and they are foreign all over the place. So you was the man that run Jamaica.
Yeah.
Exactly.
We are there Jamaica, but them time they done that it was still an apprenticeship thing cause Blade now was still the man.
Leading.
So it's like, we got event and thing now, we'd have your early warm and I do something and I say, you know, me dep on early warm something here. So it's like, it pushed me now to go harder and build my name cause in the streets of Jamaica, the downtown, Reddles Road, them, the downtown part of them, Greenwich Farm and some place up every garrison, Chris Dymond was the youth now where you come on to the girl and certain little thing and me. So what I do now, I kind of just venture more into that and step on that little bit harder because I say, with their own CodeRed, yes, I'm good, I'm great, but Blade would always be Blade I gotta be the man so it's like certain opportunity.
Yeah. So Blade I gotta get it, then I gotta show Dymond.
Yeah. In terms of CodeRed, you know, like CodeRed, Jamaica classify CodeRed as an uptown sound. In terms of their affiliation with Rush and Master and whatever, they say it's an uptown, high color, rich people sound. Yeah. So in terms of the street dance, what you say, you was the one who do them because
more and change the narrative there too.
We know that Blade was a bit street.
Not a bit street. Blade a Garrison youth. Standpipe Blade come from.
Yeah.
Garrison or zinc fence. Yeah. Garrison. See? Me, Reddles Road me forward from. Yeah. Rush and Master Lee, you don't know. I wanna people just have it say people just look at your color and say, yo, it's like it would look strange if you see somebody with light skin and them tell us them are Jamaican, most people be like, really? Them expect if it was black.
Yeah.
So at the same thing now is like people just kind of just corner the sound and say, oh, Uptown sound, because we started out them time there with the Renaissance and the Uptown vibes and thing. That was where CodeRed really get it break. But Rush is a youth, Russia street youth, Russia youth, Rush no love them thing there. You see me? So come the fully loaded thing now became something where we step on, because at the time, they must say them need the hardcore something there. The pretty thing enough never been CodeRed from day one.
Okay. Alright, so you only like the pretty thing. Juggling sound started all that first, right?
Yeah, man.
So how did you guys get, I shouldn't say guys because we don't want to get offensive.
Yeah, man, fix it.
Yeah. All the sounds start getting a clash now.
Like we said, the rough star ragamuffin something. If you notice, you see Rush. If you see Rush right now, Rush can probably have one marina and kerchief around him head, one foot to roll up, and I just him that. So, and then Blade, a garrison youth
The
said,
particular type of dress.
rough thing.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So it's like, from them time, the man them are doing, and they must say, yo, we have Uptown lock and thing, but this too easy. We need that. So that's why the man them stepping and fully loaded and them show there. And when we step there, no artist no want to get the sound no dub plate. Based on what me I get to understand. Them time they know about everybody say, yo, we not play early.
Yeah.
Them little vibes are rare. So the man them go to the first year, bust the place. Like we just some remix and some little artists, some little artists where nobody not really a look pan. You see what me I say, brother?
Cause them alone are going to
Yeah. And you see the impact that was left, you see the following year, try know, you know.
Everybody running.
Man, I call yo, I want to say now, what's our name again? You see me? So that's something now, and then it you see now where it becomes, where it became a part to bring you. You go Europe, you go England, you get a different type of respect when you're not just a regular party sound. You see what I say? So from this on now, the man them take on that, but that was as far as they were willing to go. In terms of the other hardcore clash thing now, that was all me.
Exactly. That's where I wanted to get to. Because we realized that most of the clashes that we see CodeRed in doing,
the recent ones.
Is always you at the forefront. Let's go particular to one clash that I was very amazed. This is where I started.
Well, more asking because like this
Jaga and Kanti.
which clash in the recent years, in the last 6-7 years, where you say is your favorite?
The clash we do on Bass Odyssey.
The Guinness clash. Where
The boom clash, we do on
be.
Bass Odyssey. Yeah.
Yeah, you guys come run up, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why was that the best clash?
Because it was a clash that nobody believed that. At the first, let me tell you, in our street, we did everybody have as the man there, the juggling sound, and we run that part there and book out and guitar things with the girl and go crazy. When that clash came about, everybody was like, yo, what you say? Me say Bounty Killer said to me, say, yo, you think you're ready for the warrior, Andre? Everybody, Beanie Man, everybody, every artist. You saw me and say, I said to me, say, Chris, one thing we'll give you brave do a bass, I say that, you know. So you see, I think that was one of the most supported clash to during that whole contest. Everybody came out with, make us see where we're going tonight.
Yeah.
And the fact that it was 5 rounds, we won 2 rounds, Bass Odyssey 1-3 and became the victor. But one of the rounds was kind of, you can call it, say, the second round was, it was really, it should have been a tied round.
Can't go anywhere.
Because them say, it was a DJ round, them say Bass Odyssey. Bass Odyssey play a Movado, you know, the DJ round, and a singer. And then them say, we played the rules said.
They said something about medley.
No medley. The rules stated that no medley should be played in the second round. After the first round. I never played a medley, I played a combination. It was a Sprague Benz and a Mad Cabra. That's not a medley. So if you're going to give me the wrong, and then the next sound play a singer in a DJ round, that round should have been draw, right?
Should have been draw.
Yeah. So that was the only discrepancy. And everybody knew it. From that, like you said, from there, so you start look for me, different, my career and everything.
The clash that made it for me was the one that you were playing and the laptop screen break.
Oh, yeah, that too.
That was because at one point, I watch a clash and I say, all right, you know what? I'm going to just forfeit now because this is a perfect excuse to say, all right, call it quits. Yeah. Because for the man's computer screen broke. Yeah. That reached me already.
Computer screen broke. Yeah.
Exactly. You got stop to play. And then you just say, yo, go into the car there for your next. I saw you say, I go for the computer and the car for me.
We send for the next one, but here what now? Them time everything was being loaded onto long laptop.
Long just play the break screen and just done.
Everything that kind of set in other laptop. The other one they did about, as we are about to go play, unfortunately, whoever was doing the thing, the setting up of the stage, them never fixed, them never screwed down the top of the thing properly. So, and go up on it, boom, laptop, fly off, broke, screen drop, you can't see nothing.
Yeah, because we see the videos. And you did manage to win.
And that was before the class start. So we played 5 rounds with a laptop, but we can't see nothing pan and still win.
Well, me not lie. My favorite clash, I don't know if you can call it a full-fledged clash. You remember the one that Watch It Be a Beat we do now?
Oh, we do Ricky Chopper.
First, I say, a man walk with a dance in a shape like dog.
No, to explain, because I saw the flyer, and the flyer said Trooper versus CodeRed.
Yeah.
So when I saw the narrative said it wasn't a clash, and he was saying that it wasn't a clash, it was confusing to me because I saw a clash and the thing. So, and then was listening to the dance. I mean, he play like a custom. So I wonder if he did have the custom for a long time or he just cut it. Explain what happened.
Yeah, man. The clash was booked as a the dance or the event was booked as a clash.
Yeah.
Trooper charge clash money. Trooper voice clash songs. While me there all about, cause I was overseas doing some show. Yeah. While me overseas I do some show, me I get video with Trooper in a party and make clash speech. I say, oh, that boy them gonna kill him dead.
So him be knows a clash.
Trooper know a clash.
Okay.
What was Trooper attire for the clash?
I think they have an army.
What Trooper wear come at the clash?
Army thing.
Oh, then we don't even say nothing else.
Like,
in full from boots up to head. I think I lost the all hat him a fan.
So because the clash should go on, I think we win. I think we win 2 rounds.
We win the 2 round. The clash have 5 round. We win 2. Him realize going into the 3rd round now. He make a speech where the whole dance a boo him for.
Okay.
So him knows so going into the 3rd round is not a good look. So if a 5 round of the clash, CodeRed already win 2. We are going to the 3rd one where the whole dance hit you. What you think I got?
All right. No, the question.
The part of the clash for me, like when you tell the people and you tell the trooper for fuck off and guy, and then I walk through for shame.
And the cocotte. But that's the problem. All right, here's the problem. With them member from Kilimanjaro days, Trooper do that something, you know.
Yeah.
If you and Trooper clash from Jara from then days, if the clash now go female, the dance have to mash up, you know.
True that.
It will not be said that you kill him, you know. The dance have it. Make it be said that boy something go wrong on the dance mash up.
And the dance mash up.
Box get pin up, shot fire, buckle flip something.
Yeah, we know as a trooper is a man when normally pin
him not take loses. So in that case now, him couldn't do that. So the best thing was to walk out. So we don't study the thing and know. So here, if the clash now go female, he might go pull some stunt. So we have every alternative. Any route him did go, we have something for answer him. So we see him walk out, alright, hold a cockatoo. Sound boy, won't you go home? Yeah, man, hold it.
That video made.
I just want to ask this: what's your relationship with Trooper if you have one? Do everything cool after that clash, or it's some form of animosity between
No,
you
after
guys?
the clash, I pre me. You know, this is the problem me are facing, I think, right now. Enough of the man them I pre like say, yo, Chris Dymond right now, CodeRed, boy, me a general, so me a little boy, me not for size up. So you see the fact say anytime enough of them come push up them head, me chop it off, it'll give them problem.
Alright, so this is what I try to get to right now, because I had the same problem here in UK, where everybody over here, there's so many sounds in England, and everybody I play alongside. There's no one brave enough to step forward and say, all right, listen, we have sounds, and for the true nature of dancer, we're just gonna go at it for the sports. And so how would that question to you now? Do you think that you being a juggling selector where the dancehall has changed that much, suiting juggling, do you feel like you're more equipped to take on clash scenes now because of the style of how you play and the way people receive music now?
All right, the way of people, let me put it this way. A little altercation happened like a week ago with me and a top sound system, top Jamaican sound system.
Oh, I see that one.
In a New York, see?
Yeah.
And it was a surprise to see even the females like, yo, war, hot girl. War.
But that's what I'm saying. The way you play music, it was because people like that energy. People like to be entertained. It's not like one time people want to hear.
But more sounds, the man them coming and dance them depend. Yo, it's like them depend. Oh, come here, come give me a kiss, me honey. At them thing, me not depend that.
Yeah.
You come and dance better the way. Let me tell you how long me as this music thing you have me attention from me a little boy. And me start preach. Back in the days when me preach from a flyer print and it have more than one sound on it. From your sound I play with the next sound. By the morning for come, there must the one question people are gonna ask. Who take the dance?
And that's
and that is still my belief up to today.
Exactly.
You understand what I say?
Yeah.
So it's like most of the man them get too friendly, brother, and them come and dance, and it's like, yo, brother, it's a competitive business. We're supposed to catch fire shot, and tomorrow morning we heal each other, and you say to me, say, yo, remember you get the better, but wait till me book you next week.
Exactly.
I saw it for God. The girl child behavior, I'm not dependent, brother.
So let me just ask you this. So in retrospect, the selector and the sound man them will have the song, them will cut a bag of song, and now use them scared to use them. Wait, you say a coward.
A waste of time, brother. All right,
So,
enough, man.
all right, so we have the perfect example. English Fire inside the studio. So
shit.
me I call out English Fire now. Me don't know which way English Fire want go. If English Fire want
Serious,
go,
you know, you know.
Give a microphone. Yes, a microphone.
me don't want to know if English
Hold
Fire
on,
want go
it's
Black
serious,
China
I know.
and Prodigy because English Fire. If me have your song, them.
Hold on. Let English Fire answer.
Yeah.
Let me explain.
English, you have to defend this now.
Defend that.
I'm a boss.
Yeah.
So my vice dub plate for my sound for the selector them for play, not
But
me.
me not hear so when I clash nobody.
So them clashing on Switzerland 2019.
I hear somebody challenge you for a clash over here, opening a
The
dance.
sound clash. Stop.
Dragon.
Dragon.
The difference between everybody else with come on the show and me,
Yeah.
you cannot bad me up, Dragon. The sound clash 2017.
Yeah.
The sound clash 2019. So
Which
all the
sound clash
sound
we talking about?
All the sound. No, you said the sound nah clash.
Yeah.
Me just tell you two. So all you said the sound nah clash.
Which
you
clash are we referring to?
We clashed in the Badadan clash,
Yeah.
which was in Switzerland.
Yeah.
So that's a clash, though.
Uh-huh.
So you just said the sound now clash. The clash in Miami, you just said the sound now clash.
Yeah.
The sound did a tag team clash in Miami, you just said the sound now
So
clash.
2017
Hold on. That's
yeah,
three clashes in the last 3 years before COVID. So all you said the sound now clash.
But English, let me ask you this.
And a me
Is
clash
this
in a Switzerland, brother.
Prodigy or a Black China clash? Me just want to clarify this.
Black China
Or
is,
a Prodigy,
hold
because-
on.
yeah.
Black China is now a production label.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
So they are not in clashes. They have not been in clashes since when the last fully loaded? 2010? 2011? So that are 10 years or so in the clash.
Okay.
So you can't ask about Black China with a
Prodigy.
clash. So let's talk about the sound when we are part
Prodigy.
ownership, right? That's a Prodigy.
Yeah.
So me clash in a Switzerland in a 2019. You want to see the video?
2019 English Fire. I never heard about that clash.
Dragon. So
Okay.
hold on, Dragon. So
Yeah.
you are a journalist, no?
Yeah.
So do your research.
But does say I never heard of that clash? Probably not.
Right. No, I understand, but you are a journalist.
Yeah. But,
Okay. All right,
So,
Dragon.
if you're gonna ask a question,
so hold on, Rick.
do your research.
Let me respond to English Fire because me is a boy. Me know what dance hall go. If boy call my name openly in a dance hall and challenge me for war and them sit there, boy have it dead from me. Have song, boy have it dead. If I killing,
You're
you
right.
killing.
Guess what?
Why?
Me not clash boy. Me clash big man. Me a big man.
Then
You
ask a
can't
big
go and
man.
clash little boy.
Ask a big man.
All right. So, all right,
So
listen.
we are trying to
brother.
ask a big man.
All right.
So hold on. Who said? Hold on. So we saw name. We saw name. We saw you said
Hold
Liar
on. Let's put things into perspective, right?
Liar squad.
Yeah.
All right.
On the night of the young Jenna's clash, that was last Friday,
Yeah.
Friday before last.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Seen? Axe and Ryan did I play the early juggling. And in the early juggling, Axe did I diss everybody. Then Axe said, yo, English and me and y'all clash next. Seen? Is a banter the man did I run. Let me show you always a banter the man did I run. Seen? The very next Tuesday, he was on the Upnlive show.
Yeah.
They asked Axe about clashing. Axe said, I am not clashing. I am not a clash sound.
Ah,
That is,
Axe tell me.
Wallan, brother, me watch the show. Me watch the show.
Yeah,
See?
he was watching for sure.
For 100%. Come
Yeah.
comment in at the, come know where
Yeah,
you gonna try
indeed,
that.
yeah.
Me know where you gonna try.
Yeah.
See? But me smart that. You're in our business little bit, me in our business long time. So there's no tricks in the book, okay? Axe say, yo, he's not clashing, he's not building a clash sound, him not depend on something there. But if him a go do a clash, it have to go make sense. For this sound, for enter into a clash. I agree to that. I am not going to clash Axe because it wouldn't gain me nothing. If the sound is to clash, Prodigy Movements, English Fire, whoever,
Yeah.
it has to benefit the sound. Not financially, but it has to have something we may not achieve yet that I can achieve from them.
I'm gonna ask one
Okay,
more question, then we're gonna wrap it up from there.
Yeah, man.
English Fire, yeah, what? No.
Listen,
So, you say it's not gonna benefit you anything to clash Loyal Squad sound, right?
right.
So, you say Prodigy is a sound. I hear you play a lot of Steely, don't play it whatever call it. You're a part with Chris Dymond, right?
Yeah.
You know, are the war god, are the girl them select the same way, right?
Where this are going?
Hold on now. Hold on now. If you spending your hard-earned money to buy song and pay DJ for dub plate, why are you not using them? You say last clash was at 2019. We're in 2021, bro.
There was COVID for the last 2 years.
Yeah,
bro.
but it's a whole clash going online.
Okay.
and rare,
No,
rare.
the sound never wanted to.
You still have to prove yourself when it comes to certain thing.
No. Me have to do what?
You still have a proof.
Brother, me
yourself when
clashing
it
for
comes to certain thing.
55,000 people, brother. Me, Red Bull Culture Clash, 55,000 people.
English Fire, that's
Stop.
a team clash.
Me, I have to prove something.
It was a team clash.
Right. So me have to go prove something. Me clash in a Red Bull Culture Clash, 55,000 people.
Instagram, I want to think. English Fire coward.
Alright, Dragon, here what you do?
Dragon.
Here what you do? Carl Squidley when the thing done.
Yeah.
Ask Squidley to borrow him dub plate. Them some of them will have your name in it. Like the new one them where have your name in it. And you try it.
What clash you?
No, just try to do an axe though. You try it.
Okay, all right. Listen. Listen. Well, listen. This is a conversation that for another day, because it is very serious and it's kind of deflecting from the main purpose of this interview today. We must apologize to Chris Dymond for what has just happened, but it's inevitable. It was about to happen, and Dragon took his opportunity because English Fire is in the studio and they've been going at it and comments for the last recent week. But people, if we just joining us, we're here with Chris Dymond, CodeRed Sound. The girl themselves, we was talking about the clash aspect of everything, where you are now at the forefront leading of the clash scene because of the way you play the styles, people is recepting your music. You're juggling more from a juggler to now a clasher. Do you think that you're the person now to be like the image of clash, the future clash?
Alright, before me answer that real quick, I just want to say something. There's a narrative and you just use it too. I want to fix a narrative there.
Yeah.
There's no such sound as a clash sound.
I think there is.
No.
Because I wouldn't go to listen to Gyro to juggle.
Why? Gyro is not a clash sound. Gyro is a rubber dub sound.
Yeah, but this.
So Gyro will forever play rubber dub style.
Exactly.
Hear the difference now. Look, think of all the greatest sounds. Stone Love, Metro Media, all of these sounds, Travelers, they have had to war. They have had to be the best juggler and also defend themselves any time that you're being called on to say, yo, defend your sound.
Some sounds.
No, man. Any sound is categorize themselves as I am this type of sound, you can only reach that type of level. You see, if it's a sound system, you reach as high as you want. Yeah, so and being a sound system is broadband knowing say anytime if tomorrow you're being called on to play at a $45,000 crowd with people there, that you go do it. Tomorrow sound this year, you defend your sound. The next day play one beach party, and the next day you're gonna play a songs. That's a sound system. It's a general thing. It's a general movement. So people kinda set this narrative and that cause a problem, so me can answer the question or you just ask me. Me now being, yes, I do believe that me, Chris Dymond, CodeRed Sound as it is now is the face right now for moving forward. For other DJs can look on and say, yo, me not tell no lie. Me like that movement, sir. Because before me step out and get trouble and do what I do.
Yeah.
More sounds, most of the younger selector them are
afraid for approach.
Not even afraid, them wasn't interested. I wouldn't say scared, they thought them wasn't interested.
I think them afraid.
No man, I wouldn't think so. I would have said them not interested.
So name me one sound that has got the recognition as like a giant now after the greats them like say Squingy, Sky Juice them.
No, Squingy, you have to put this in a category. You say Squingy, Mataran, Firelinks, Panther.
But about sounds
that's the category. Yeah. We are talking about that era.
No, we are discuss sounds are still are
no, we are this alright. We can put it either way. Sounds are selectors. The problem I have is that you have so much sounds are selectors, and we just keep mentioning the same few names, the handful of names.
That is because here what now. That is because if you look at it, a sound, they like I just said to you a while ago, most of these sounds with the names that you say most people is the most reference. Those sounds had to do stuff not one way. They had to do stuff like you have to juggle and you have to clash. The sounds them back in the days who decided they want to be a only clash sound. They are not existent today.
Yeah, but everybody want to play juggling now. That is the problem. Everybody want to juggle.
But you have to understand that even back in the days, remember real authentic dance, it wasn't set like, verses were rape on the fly. It was a dance, you come juggle where you want. Man, I'll scratch and kill sound.
Yeah.
Man, I'll scratch and kill sound. Hey, Sky Juice, belly big.
It was
just a form of knowing, say, it's a competitive thing at the end of the night. When sun come out, everybody's gonna ask who locked the dance, who for dance it is, who dead. It's not a case of dub place. And now you realize when I'm trying to do a mind game, brother. And that's why enough you now I look me and I say, you make we are pray that thing are different, Most of the money may have them Garnet Silk and them Dennis Brown and certain tune where certain Shabba and certain things and certain booty from then. Where most sounds right now within the last 15 years will not be as equipped with. So me I say, and it's impossible for your voice at Dennis Brown and certain artists. You realize the man them who have the big name, and you realize what them do when them try to reach tune for tune and reach certain part. Oh, you're a little boy, you can't play this. Of course, me can't play. So you lock the business there, so.
Yeah.
So right, so them a kill it, I put a knife in a dagger through the heart of the business there, so.
But it's creativity then, and you can always use your improvisation as a young person to implement your skill and your expertise in bringing something to the forefront what them can do because them brain too old to understand.
That is what I have been doing. Because even at the same clash where you talk about this, I remember me win tune for tune. Me I say, brother?
That's true.
All right. So this is the next thing now we are pray and we are tell us, say, the youth them out there now, no few interested. Because during the whole quarantine lockdown thing, most man a jug up on them live and I play and I try and I collect money, cash up and array. You know what I did? Me start something where it never benefit me. Me start a clash with that's enough youth.
That's what I was gonna ask you. Were you the one started the online clash?
No Jing Bang clash, yeah.
Yeah, because that was the first recognized one.
Yeah, where you saw me I say? Where enough youths no way. And it was pure jugglers until afterwards now. Enough man, we have them sound and have dubs, start seat on the platform big. We have 3,000 people I watch pan a night. Till me have to start keep it 3-4 times a week alive. It was the case where enough youths now, enough of them man there who were just merely jugglers who decided to try come. Enough DJ Rodney, a Chunkolo, enough little youth where people don't recognize as no big war people. The man them start voice them dub no seriously.
Yeah.
And me them a try ramping now in a dance up and alright. The other day we play one thing in a New York. There was an event in a New York. It was a breakfast party. You know. Yeah. Girls in here is a fan themselves. You know how that party ended?
Why?
By we playing tune for tune and everybody are real and the ladies them a cheer it on and money pull up and go on and we are bring back this thing here and we are do it. That's how we are do it our way. We are still a maintain the authentic vibe of it. But you see the man them who claims that them are the giant and the rare. Yeah, them can't trick me and them know that too.
You can't move forward to London for one month and shake up over here.
More ask Chris Dymond something. I know you know the business in London as well because you and the War Report team, you guys are a good link as well. So in terms of UK, which sound system you would like to see clash?
I would like to see clash. You all of them, brother. I mean, you have some youth, you have the same Black Knight them.
Yeah.
You have Black Knight them and we should have sound the boy again.
No, Black Knight clash.
Squad, Black Knight and Liar Squad. I think that would be a good matchup.
Yeah, that is a clash where two young set of youth, them two young blood and thing. So me I say when me that like to say, go at it. You have Lord Gellism, Andrew loaded to one thing from a day. The business is going back this way. So me I say even Crystal Blue them because you know my boy is a Squidly is a man. Love. Yo, Squidly come out on the back of field to represent England certain way. Because Squidly I'm a virgin and Squidly have that little aggressive thing there. Who wants to mix them and who wants the Crystal Blue on the thing to and think I'm a brother them. You see me I say?
So, well, I've been saying this for the longest while, but everybody thinks that we have big trouble and a cause problem because
brother, you have a big trouble.
And let me just put this out. English Fire, me not disrespect you, but me know you're loaded with song. And I want to see you exercise the song them. That's why I tell you.
Show the English. Show the song.
Are you not English? I look one young shoot over here and give song them for play if you don't want to put your head out.
Dragon keep on deflecting back to that. But
me not deflect back to it. But I'm just stating a point. Like we're talking about UK, and if you have song, because me not lie, if me have some song, some bag of song around here, you come here, Chris, dead enough.
So Chris Dymond,
yeah.
What's next? What's next for Chris Dymond, CodeRed?
For CodeRed, we have shows. You know the shows them. Boy, I mean, not lie. Me give God thanks to that juggling events, any type of events. Boy, consistency when it come on to booking CodeRed. You saw me I say, and me give thanks to that. Cause I hit on me 9 to 5.
I think that works against you, you know.
How?
Because Chris Dymond, known worldwide, I think because you're all in Jamaica, the streets of Jamaica don't not solidify you as one of the giants yet.
No, man. We get that stamp the long time, brother.
No,
Remember this. All right.
I agree that you deserve it, but when I'm over here in the UK, are we talking about like sound system in a general conversation?
Yeah.
The most names that come up is the same regular. I'm not saying that you're not doing anything.
You know why?
Yeah.
Let me tell you exactly why right now. First of all, you have to remember me, Chris Dymond. Remember, tell you how me get my run in Jamaica, how me make my name and became a known selector.
Yeah.
It was by the grassroots, the original way. I never no DVD bust me. I never no CD bust me. Remember days when me link all CD man and me see other CD man I grew up on a blue CD for other selectors and rare. I will play at the weekly event them. And me give man all my money. And say, yo, when you have video the dance, cut me a little part, give me my little video, me will pay your feet and me put it out. You know, so the man take me money and me reach on me yard. Zine, first thing man about 2 weeks me can't get the video. When me reach on me yard, you know, man, karate movie up on the DVD road boy. Brother, me go through it, you know why?
Yeah.
You see, most people are look on the thing, and so I'm glad for when me reach, cause dog, you see the amount of fight for MySpace.
Yeah.
Nobody can tell me say me not up there, I'm in a thing. You know why? Most people, it's not a weekly event, boss me. Every name, we see the selectors we are say on a discuss and say, oh, they are that and they are this and come to mind. Tell me one of them that it was not a weekly event, boss them and propel them to where they are. Tell me one.
Magic, I don't know about a weekly
Uptown
event.
Mondays and Pasa. Go on again.
Let me try it. Think with that. Chupa.
We are talking about way back in the days.
Then you see it?
No.
It's been the kind of...
but we can't. That's a different demographic.
Me get the point where you
so you have to remember when Uptown Mondays DVD around, when this a go on, when that a go on, passa, rare, me stay in the shadows a play. Cause you have to remember also them gate they'll get locked on me, you know why? Remember at the time to when me a do my thing and me a bus in the streets of Jamaica. Remember who goes a boom and draft me and say you know you're bad. Forward and me you forward so and load me up with some dub plate and something. Vibes Cartel.
Yeah.
Them time the Cartel in a party, brother. So you know what that do? You see the man them who Cartel was rivals with and them party and go around and them artists there. You have to remember now, so right away the whole world shut on Chris Dymond, cause here who Chris Dymond I represent, who and Chris Dymond part. Me and Vibes Cartel.
Yeah.
See? Remember when Gully Gaza go on, who remember me a defendant go out dance, go anywhere, brother, man, I show ball rifle in my face. I was like, yo, Ray! And I said, oh, boy, don't play them sound around here, Ray. And me have to run if I'm man in a beat fence and Ray and still play my music and go through it. But you have to remember, so come now, them avenue that was not offered to me because a DJ rate me, you know, where it's not a man who come around and stand up on table and Ray. It's a man where in the party.
Yeah,
so for the streets and certain little thing lock off from me, it was done. Me could have almost hear some go up on a garbage truck, brother, if me never determined. Because when the door they close for me, what me do? I go boom and go around on our next part again and take it down a Spanish Town Road and me and Stone Love them start a rare. Remember I was the youngest selector. Black and White is NEC Black and White?
Yeah.
It's the biggest event in Jamaica as a dancehall event. I remember I was the youngest selector for play upon that event.
And I remember one time you and Stone Love you kind of have a little...
Exactly.
This and
you see me I say?
And you live through that.
Live through that.
And then base of this in a latter days.
Alright.
Because I see a little event with you, I know the time is running, but maybe this is because it's fast. A little event when you and base of this you had a dance. And there was like some form of misunderstanding. You are jogging on the dance and you stop the dance and say, you see something like your name get crossed out of a flyer.
Yeah.
What happened there, sir? Because I think I see some media clippings on the Star website. I try to explain, but I never to get fully understand what they must say. Explain it for me.
Alright, long and short. There was an event that was kept. Me CodeRed BSRDC Kilimanjaro. I dance in New York. You see what I say? Then again, stick up in my try to show you. Just notice every time one of them dance, if you keep, you need a young sound for, you need a sound nowhere. Yeah. No generation, who them send for.
Yeah.
Alright. So Kilimanjaro, BSRDC, and my sound, CodeRed, Chris Dymond I represent. It was brought to my attention way after that, when the sound posted, when it was posted on BSRDC page, my name was marked out first with a marker.
Because I saw that on the BSRDC Facebook page.
You see it, right?
Because me there on BSRDC, anything them post, I see it.
You see it, right?
But I thought it was just like a type of error, somebody does a different fun.
A type of can mark out someone and post.
Yeah, me see the marker thing.
Me never ever post, you mean never post nothing with a sound and mark out them name. See?
But I was only your name mark out upon
exactly. So from there, so when the person draw to me attention and me get the screenshot and everything, me I said, John, alright, me let it go. Because like I said, this is from 2019, me leave that.
Yeah.
Moving forward, a promoter called me from last year for a dance in Florida, see? With the holiday name again, and I'm celebrating in New York.
Yeah.
In September time, Labor Day weekend.
Labor Day weekend, yeah.
See? So the dance have to keep in Florida, you know. See, the promoter book where the anniversary, them say, boy, XYZ from last year, you know, everything, send deposit, come give me, boom, bam. Closer to the dance now, which is this year now, 2021.
Yeah.
Promoter called me and say, yo, boy, sounds like from you up on the dance, they're not really interested, want to play with it.
Okay, so basically, she say if Chris Dymond up on the dance.
I was told by the promoter.
Okay.
So me I say, what that mean? Me not understand that. See, me left that alone again. Another promoter with the same story again. Me I say, no, man. No. It started to draw my mind now back to say, the post. So that means that from them time, there's something not right.
So it means that you and them have a little altercation.
Exactly. So, long story short, dance come up now the other day. We did me, Stone Love, based at the Steel Bashment, boom, bam. Me a player, I go and bust the dance. I say, bust the dance, I mean, the dance under fire. And then it come to mind, remember, I say, yo, stop the dance. I say, yo, so, me and so never that take no date with me. On the post, I'll fly up on the page anyway. So, how to take the date tonight? Now, what really I go on? Selector said, no, man, we are talking about nothing like that. We not tell no promoter, nothing like that. I say, you sure? Man say, yes. I'm going back to me juggling.
Yeah, because I see the look part when I think was, I didn't even end up on stage. Yeah.
But what me I tell you what happened now, I never see. So I say that, me ask, clarify, them say no. I say, alright, everything good, going back to me juggling. Wait. So Stone Love play, then based on this for play again now. And based on this for play again now, I guess, because when we make that speech, certain of the selector them backstage start to rough up themselves and a tough up and a talk tough. And I say, calm. I say, right.
Okay. Yeah.
So, when them a play back now, them start, make them talk, and I say, oh, and start call my name. And I say, Chris Dymond, if you know, say, based on this is a long time, we are New York and where.
But I based on this is that.
Some dub plate start play now and some think of them start. Go so now, boom, and I play and fling and I say, oh, promoter, you say, no work, because the promoter beg we don't work. And them start go some killer and say, promoter, you can't, them two and a half a play and them start pick up some of the killer them and of course the dance raise up, remember, muggling dancing about one good 2,000 people, you know, bro.
Yeah.
You see it? Everybody I say, yo, right. So I see the whole dance, I jump up and I say, yo, no, Chris, you have to defend yourself.
Yeah, and that you are here, really.
Me nah hit you, man. Brother.
Because we are watching juggling and I watch the video thing and me I see the energy there. And because fear, when you play your first round, you have the crowd. And maybe I that give you the confidence to say, all right, you know what, this was my shot now for take on the giant here. And I think by doing that, people might look at it and say you're being disrespectful for this. But I think that it was a bold move. And it might pay off more fear than any, because for the last how much years, me not see no other sound take on base of this rather than the giants them who we know of already.
To anyone who would, I would put this question to anyone who would have even allowed the thought of disrespect to come in their mind for a situation like that. The one question I would have put forward to them. So, would it be better if I had my sound and felt like my sound was violated? My sound and me love. Because me rate, and I put this on the record, remember based on this and my sound, them know that.
Yeah.
But I'm a rate based on this. But me not gonna rate your sound or no sound in this world more than me rate CodeRed.
Yeah.
CodeRed and my sound.
That's what me I try to
straight.
get to.
So me that put that question there. So when me feel me got somewhere and a man say something about my sound, and me feel say, oh, what a respect, Lord, I'm late. That's like come like a man box you, and you gotta say, oh, is a man that me respect me take the box. Yeah, you hear that?
Let me ask you this before the interview wrap up. In terms of the future, in terms of the war business, which sound you wanna clash? Which sound you wanna go up against?
I mean, yo, if you tell you the truth, people since me and Bass have a 3-way, a promoter call for the clash, a million promoter call, you know, man.
It look like you really want the clash. That Bass for the clash.
Brother, it's not a personal thing, you know. I'm willing to clash any so. Brother, me tell you this to me is something what me enjoy. I'm life. Me love music. Me love sound system culture, brother. Me not play it for no hype. If you notice, that's the next thing why I think my name will never come up when certain conversation come up. Cause if me not play, you not see me, you not hear me. Me not running for no dance. It's not because me hype. It's more just me. The humility when me go through. You see the things that when me go through and the life risking thing that when me go through in my life, brother. For days so right now and even talk to you, it humble me in a way. Whereas, bro. From me, I go at least 7 different prep school and primary school, you know, man. Me get expelled, me get stabbed up when me in a 4th grade. Bro, me go, no. So you see the thing when me go through in a life, I hit keep me a look. Me have a stabbing on my foot right now where I'm gonna stab off for yes and them time I in a 4th grade I got done Robin prep. And as my little bedroom, my little school bedroom job at my school bag and the knife end up in my waist right or so. And the shape out now L. My auntie always tell me say you see that L is a learners, them time I in a 4th grade, bro. See? Me get expelled from you see me I say? So you see the thing that when I got you, I hit humble me, brother. So you see them thing that make me, you know, as a man, certain things me not quick for in an argument to nobody. Cause brother, me never have to there. So now me just easy and just hold my own. So it's the same thing now where it come on to say, boy, me not afraid of no sound, no time, not all, but I am not the selector or the DJ where this fame will never get to me to the point where I'll act any different just because of it. You're going to get me and me. I just me only. Straight,
of course.
bro.
And I think people will, respect you for that.
Some people, because some people, if you're not hype in the rare, you know, get them, you're not getting no respect from them.
Of course. And you know what? We want to say we respect you and we thank you very much for making it the Upnlive show. We give thanks to your presence in the UK. And you know you're there for a few more parties. Obviously, the town out of time. So we will be posting the
Tipsy
events.
Thursday this Thursday, and I don't know, Saturday night. What do you think him again? Predator birthday party, you don't know, this Saturday night too in London. We have about 3 more shows if we conclude the tour, and then you don't know. On to the, so I say Canada up next in 2 weeks. So it's movements.
Of course, and the social medias for Chris Dymond.
All right, follow me on social media. Everything, I think SoundCloud is The Real Chris Dymond. Now the real fans them know the Dymond spelled with a Y, Dymond. So it's the TheReal ChrisDymond. So The Real Chris Dymond. See? Follow the sound page, CodeRed Sound too.
Simple as that. All right. Thank you very much for joining us this evening. And for those of you locked in online, make sure you go and check out the interviews on our Instagram page and our YouTube page, Upnlive Show. Remember, we're here each and every Tuesday at 9 p.m. on TG Media. Jog on the last words.
You know what think of people, as I say every week, love your brother, love your sister, let love rule in everything you do. I want to read a book in them, so brain power is the main power, right? Until next week, you know, people.
Peace.
Take out your bass. Wheel up. Hold on.